support. I dey vex for Nigerian government. I dey paro for them. Because intimidation when I get this afternoon from these fucking people because of this color, it dey make me dey craze for Nigerian government. Nigerian government, if una not change, Ayinla go kill una. Ayinla go kill una. If una not change, we don't go pray for una again. Na cause we go dey cause una. Make God punish all of una. The one that take there. The one that take up put our people for suffer for this Europe. God go punish all of una. Because if not be una, people like me not supposed to enter road. No go kill una. See, if una don't change the 2019, we dey come home. We wan come fight una. Even though na blood, we go use our blood fight una. I'm busy. Here, una here, even though na our blood, now we wan spray for the country, for we not to pass this intimidation. If una get this, we wanna pass and give them. Say 2019, we dey come home. We wan come fight. We wan come fight them because violence take it by force. Una don't take our rights. Una don't take and don't hold us strong. Come on, boss. Now I want to enter yours now. Come on, boss. Because I be black man. Because I be black man. That boss don't carry me. I was only when he boss lecture. He come, he park. He see me say I be black man. He don't carry me. What's the level? Intimidation never reach the Nigerian government. We don't want to make our people better. We don't go spend our money for us. Our own money. We want to spend that for us. Our own money. Not be una oh. Not be una papa oh. Una here. Not be una papa oh. If una not change, your book will kill una. All of una go die. If from that generation, not go see them for Nigeria again. The one that they rule that country, the one that they turn upside down. Where be say our youth, they call the vet, they call the enter road, go they die for road. Many youths don't condemn. Even for here where we did, many youths they suffer, they die. Intimidation everywhere. Nigerian government, if you not change, I don't go kill all of una now here. All of una not go see here though. Una generation, una pump pikin when I go for Europe, when I go for America, they go school. When I live with our children, when I live people children for suffer. See, if we not change, 2019, we dey come home. All the youth in Europe, we will go home. We'll go fight for our home. Make our home peaceful. Now our youth not they die. Game not they pass intimidation. The one who dey for Europe now suffering and smiling. No level for us. We dey suffer. Where we will fit talk, we not go fit talk. Because if we talk small, they go say go home. I come from station now. I dey report for police station. No, the police tell me say go home. Go home. She go let me go home. She go let me go home. Eh? If you talk small for Europe, or people go tell you say go home. Go home. Really, if you not too good, na their country. If you not like her, go home. Then we get home. We get home. Nigerian government. Una give us home. More than leave the Biafra make them come out. It's too much for una. If una don't want to repair the country, more than leave those people make them come out. Who knows they go join there or go join there? Who knows they not go join there, go live there? Nigerian government, more than leave una, more than spend our money for us. Now our money not be una oh. Una come inside for there. Now God now give us those wealth, those resources. Now God now give us. Make una spend them for us, Nigerian government. Our government, our people they die for Europe. Our people they die for Asia. Our people they die for India. Our people they die for America. Our people they die for everywhere. South Africa, Niger, Cotonou, Duruku. People they die. Our Nigerian people they die. If we are not in that post, Oku will kill now. We will not change. Oh, we will not change. Oku will kill now. Our Nigerian government. Any government official will not change. Even though my brother dead there, my uncle dead there, my papa dead there, I rather go kill all of them. I want to tell the trouble our money. See. I can't do this video tell now. Nigerian government, if we are not changed, 2019, anybody 30 years old, in fact, 40 years old cannot rule us again because he pray to Mouton. Food forever, like they go be. See them. They want get ethic, they'll come abroad, they'll go treat them. They'll carry VIP, they'll carry first class flight. When people there, they die. People there, they die. More than not change. More than not change. As I dey vex so more than not change. More than not change. More than say God go demolish our family. Anything when I pull, that babalawo when they do for una, the babalawo go die for una before una reach that shrine. Una hear? More than this one na way na white pass. Na beg grow. Hold me way not the shade. Hold me way the thieves must not pikin right. All those who don't me way the thieves must not pikin right. Or go kill all of una this afternoon. Una die by motor accident. I go station me, I go report. What the police, what did they do me? They say go back to your country if you don't like here. I don't like here, me, I go my country. Abi, na truth. I don't like I go my country, but I get country where I want to go. Una don't use our own country to talk to una heaven. More good kill una. Because I'm picking up the pass with they pass through. Una generation of pass with they pass through. Eh? Now I don't kill una this afternoon. More than die, the one I don't expect. The one that take root that country to nonsense. Or go kill all of una, the one I don't expect. Now yeah, boys with talent, they don't fit stay home. They enter desert. Because of una, boys with talent, boys with glory. Call the shop intimidation for here. Where we say, man, people they don't need our happiness, so give them. Because of una stupidity, una nonsense, una selfishness. You say put billions of people for trouble. You say put billions of people for grave. Blood sucker, vampire government on be Nigerian government. They are vampire, they are idiots. May I tell you now? The one that they rule us, the one that they rule us, the one that they shop our money, the one that they eat our money, come put us for suffer like this. I tell you now, right from those when they start that plan, right from those, even though they're not there alive again, they are beginning where they are alive, all of them go wipe off. The one that they keep people children, the one that they send people children to slave trade, the one that they send people children to no man's land, the one that they send people children to become an elite. The one that they send people children to become a refugee. Nigeria come in Nigeria, all Nigeria. Come and beg for food. Charity everywhere. Attack go everywhere. You know picking how they do one. The one that they portray our guests. Because they do unnecessary job for road. Because they do unnecessary work. Because they send their body. Una go, people where God give una money guide. Now we guide them. And so they run come out. Because they send their body for road. Later they say they must stop. Good food and give them. If they are home good, they go enter road. If they are home good, say that they feed they eat well for house. I tell you now, 2019, we are coming, 2019. I get the quote, I don't get the quote. I enter that country anyhow. And I don't volunteer myself, go home. Because this nonsense is too much. I want person, you want spend money, buy something for shop, they go intimidate you. You want work, they go cost you. You want go spend the money where you cost you to work, they go even cost you to spend the money. If you talk, they go say go home. Police, I tell me now, I say go home. He say go home. I get home. Not the best way he ask good, they go first, they go home. Who show my one go? Who show him? Home where they, those when he did, they my neck. Those when he did, now my neck they day. Those when me I live for there. Now me come with their government. Now me come with their government. Our people wait there here and I come with their government of their family. Huh? More than not change. More than not change. More than not change. More than they shop am. More than they do am. May they work for una. But more than believe me, if una not change. If una not change. If una not change. Hell. Very soon we dey come again. All those who we call first people, all those bastard youth where they work follow them. All those idiot youth where they work follow them. Now they see una fellow youth brother they die. Now nothing talk because now they chop body. What be money material? Money where person they print. Person like me and you know they print am. If the person don't want me we suffer for the money, he not go print her SS, make it print her SS, make it give everybody. If na that one they want, people now they print and not be spirits. They go say they go they borrow money for bank. Money where the person they print, when I go they borrow. The one when I borrow, when I use. What do I use and they do? When I go to borrow. People were supposed to borrow everybody. Now don't go to borrow. The borrow now. Now go to use and affect the generation. And they borrow and put them on our pocket. They better on our family. I talk for police and your police say let me go home. Go to your country, idiot. Yes, can I go? Can I go to my country now? Can I first and go to my country, my people? Can I do that? Can anybody do that now? We just be like prisoner for inside prison, where they drive car, where they work for inside prison. Now we be. We are fucking prisoner in another man's land. If you tell Europe, you don't fight for how you want your Nigeria not better, brother, you are a fucking prisoner. Let me tell you, we are prisoner in another man's land. If you don't know, no. Understand? I tell you now finish. No, I don't change. If they want me to waste my blood, I go waste that for una Nigerian government. Because I don't see many intimidation for this my life. I don't see many intimidation. You understand? We don't see. We don't see how people they live life. We don't see how people they enjoy life. We don't. Me, I go sacrifice my career, sacrifice my life all now. 2019, more than trying. All those youth, we not get sense. When sense not there with, when they carry gun follow them, when they say go they kill people, when they say for rubbish. When I not come out to now for those things. More than son be youth. When I be youth, when they do well, you go die, follow them. If you be youth, when they follow them, when they give them good advice, you go die, follow them. No matter what you do. Now yeah, I don't tell them finish. 2019, we are coming home to make sure we give our people a better life than need to live. A better life people are living here. Let's give them. They have it. They have it. We have the resources to make our people to better. We have the resources, man. Where are we suffering out of Muslim? Where are we suffering out of Muslim, man? Where? Are we supposed to make us suffering out of Muslim? Are we? Are we supposed to suffering? Are we not supposed to be the king of Africa? Are we? Are we not Nigeria? John, people they suffer. They don't feel shop once in a day. Once in a day for all your country, they don't feel shop. Where's it? Una been wish. People what are they beat? They don't beat on our back. I'm not gonna beat it there. Idiot people. Devil, sit there. Nothing what we want to do for this country. Nothing what we want to do for Europe. Maybe say the call. See, our government, man, no worry. God, don't send on a hand. This one what I do so is the hand. Nigeria youth will rise and fight them. Violence, take it by force. We are going to take it by force. What belongs to us? Human rights, you cannot touch us. Human rights is for our property. God created us with human rights. So you guys cannot take it from us anymore. We are tired. We are fed up. We are fed up, man. Nigerian government, we are fed up. You guys are wolf. You guys are vampire. You guys are boofter. You guys are crazy idiots. For to let the children. Do you know how many youth have died in your hands? Do you know how many youth? Do you know how many presidents you have condemned? They say we are the vision of tomorrow. Shut up! They don't hold our vision. We are not vision of tomorrow again. We get vision up. When your partner build your vision, you want to get down. Eh? I don't use us. Talk to slave. They say no more slave trade. But we don't do one. Eh? You dey work with Oyibo, work when they go give Oyibo, you go small chicken there, now you go do that Oyibo, join your own. They will play that Oyibo pass you. But if Oyibo come to Nigeria, they go put that Oyibo, they will put that for high office, you go they use us. Eh? Huh? It good like that? It good? Say, Oyibo, they use us for here. If you see go Nigeria, now the people Nigeria see they work. Not here. Now the people Nigeria, now the people Oga. They will say they rule us. They don't let us talk for their present. Rule us for their house, rule us for their home. See Indian, Chinese people, where full Nigeria, where people say Chinese people that they control our construction company. They don't fear. They kill our people for there. Who be Chinese? How much Chinese people get when Nigeria go? How much? How much what I get? How much what I get? How much this country get? What we take so? Who be this small country where not reach my state? When they tell me say go home. Go home. Nigeria government. More than not try. More than not change. Every day, I go to get up in the morning. I go to nickel the sweat for those. When it get plan, to they rule the future of those Nigeria blood. When it get plan, to they kill the children future. When it get right, to they do something you don't want to do. Well, yeah. When I carry our money, they go Switzerland, carry go Canada, carry go everywhere in the world. When I hear, when I carry, but God go ask you now. This way when I swear so, and the blood when I sacrifice, where God go take hospital now this afternoon. Now yeah, God go kill, God go punish all of you now from head to toe. The one that take get hand for the condemning of that country, the one that take get hand for condemning of that country. God go. No. Nigeria youth, you guys need to wake up, man. Wake up from your sleep. Don't work with this Babylonian. Don't shoot gun for them anymore. I shoot gun for them 2017. I shoot gun for them 2007. 2003 election. We shoot gun. But yet, no level. Yet, now road we enter. Yet, they pursue us. No level. We shoot gun for them. No game. From the wake up, morning, wake up. From 99, now we begin pull out election. From 99, now election start for Nigeria. Now general this thing start. 99, now we begin pull out. No game. They go use us, they will dump us. They will dump us. Eh? More than not try. Youth, more than not work follow them again. They not be better person. They are wolf. They are... No, it pay me. They pay me in such out of Africa. God bless country like Nigeria. Now me, small people, they don't say, go back to your country. Can you go back? Can I go back? Those when I live for them, I mean they take care of them. Then you want me to go back now? If you make my home to become a pet home, believe me, I don't fucking care for their fucking documents in this country. I want to come home, man. Let's go home. I want to feel home, man. Waiting. My people, share this video. When I make sure this video go touch them, make them find me. They say if you talk to them, they go find person. Make them find me. People they say they why don't talk because of your career. You don't give me career, fuck you. Career without a life is not a career. Let me tell you guys. You understand? For those who say me, they support them. When I say they support them. The one that say they support them, if you be youth, you they support them, and the rest youth, your bloody youth like this. I see, for Libya, our more than 10,000 Nigerian people are in one place. They lock them one place. Every day they call, they come out the key. For Libya, it happen for Libya. Another one they happen. Come on, Niger. Niger will not get Gary to shop. They go use our head. They go kill us. Niger will not get Gary to shop. If we go their country, because of the way they use us. Man, don't worry. We don't give on our time reach. The time will be this one. This is the time. This is the head time. Nigeria government, this is in our head time. This is our last doing. Now I do so. When I do this one, when I do so, when I come up on road. Una ten go finish. You don't go fight for una ten. Una ten go finish. Make we say anybody who don't rule that country is not supposed to rule again. If you are more than 35 years, fuck you in that post. Fuck your father, fuck your mother, because fool for 40 is fool forever. Idiot people. See them. They change party. This one will say AC today. Tomorrow you go say PDP. Next tomorrow you go say APC. You go say this one. They go change party. If they say this party not try now, AC not try now, they go change them again to AD or to ABCD or to ABCDZ. Abi, all of them go see the camp go there. When I say na new people who want to see the change. Bad bien, mogo be. Zobe kulu government zobe and this zekrumu. I would the gaba kulu government. I would the gaba. Ogo kill now, motherfucking people. Una no better. Una life no go better. Una generation no go better. Everything when I go for this life, you no go better for una. I no get them. All this one I don't guess. All of them will go. You go drain one day. All of them will finish one day. Una go enter the kind. Una pikin go enter our shoe. Una pikin they go enter our shoe. Even though not be this una pikin. Any of una generation must enter our shoe. Make them see what we pass through. Una hear? Now hear? Wetin person never see. Wetin person never see for life. Because of una. My phone lost for assignment too. I dey find now. Or you say make I contact say I no fit find now. Now I go police station. Police say if I not like the way it be, make I go my country. Yes, that's what police tell me. Go my country. That's what they tell me. We dey suffer. We dey Europe, bro. Forget. You dey Europe. You not get right. Where anybody where the Igbo get. Come on, you better owe your red passport. You better owe your bala. You don't spend 1 million years for the Europe side. Bro, you are a slave. We are slaves, man. We work like a slave. They give us the most dirtiest job. Then they go to our country, we give them the most goodest job. We come to Malta, you don't do anything, you go to prison for 1 year, 6 months. Everybody, every immigrant, every boat that land in Malta, they go to prison for 1 year, 6 months without doing nothing. The Maltese come to my country, they give him a hotel to live, they give him an apartment, they even respect him more than the president. Then we come here, we not do nothing, we not do anything. We just land. We never know the country. My prison will go nowhere. 1 year, 6 months. Even the matter, they deport my sister Atama Ivie. They deport her for my president. After 1 year for inside the prison. After 1 year for inside the prison, they deport them. That one is life. You just come the country, we will not do anything. This is Malta Island. We never do anything. I never even know them before. People where you never know before, you go offend them. Prison. Boom. 1 year, 6 months. Ask anybody. Understand? See our boys for Italy. See, beggar. How can Nigeria be a beggar? How can the number 3 richest resources country in the whole world be a beggar? Are you going to tell me you want to see a person from Qatar be a beggar? Or when Libya was a Libya, when Gaddafi was alive, you want to see me, you see a Libyan man be a beggar? Impossible, bro. Impossible. Impossible. See a Libyan man not even sweep his ass. They carry police, they sweep his ass. And want to go and do beggar. When Gaddafi dey alive. Can't see Libyan man working, man. It's impossible. Libyan man, they work. They work like once in a week. And the money where they receive, now there. I mean, you can see Qatar, people go to beg. You can see Croatia, people go to beg. Our government. What God, they bless us. Una carry on on our property. Una carry on our property. But the one that they do, ayelala. Osago ne pogwe. Odiku ne pogwe. Ogwompa, ogworene. He go destroy all of una. All the Abaju go join. Isago go join. Isago from Calabar go join. All the ancestors of Nigeria, they go join us together. They fight una. Because we not pray for una again. Una mind na iron. Buhari die. Who told us say not die before? When he reach heaven, go check his heart. He tell us say no, me create this heart. Go back. He reach fire. Jesus Christ, the devil, the Allah, blood of Jesus. This heart too strong. He no fit keep him. Go back. And they come back. Na strong heart. Their heart na iron. No matter what you not put. All we want to pray. Make their turn or finish. Make we do our own. Make we do our own. If we dey here, the visit they enjoy. My brother, you are a fucking slave. Let me tell you. Now only they go our country, go they enjoy. Now only they go our country to go be oga. Only they, the same Oyibo. The same people wey be say we not do anything. They come our place, come carry our oba. Because they will not get voice, so they talk. These kind of people, we suppose they forbid their land. Edo people, we suppose they forbid this their land. But our government don't agree. Our government don't agree. Suffer. The man say make I go home. The policeman say make I go home. Make I go home. If not be say things good, if my country good, say na Qatar for come. Before you go talk and finish, I don't go. Say na how this guy Europe country will come. Where be say they smile. Without even money, they go see the smile. I don't go. But this one, go home. Where I want go. The one where I live for house, they dey my neck. They know I go join them. Oh, we all call their neck. Oh, you don't mind us. No problem. I didn't promise you about. I said I go. I will go when my time reach to go, when I want to go. 2019. Document or no document. I'm in Nigeria. I'm not contesting for any fucking position. All we are going to do is to make sure no youth work for them. Nobody come out for campaign. Don't campaign. If we want to vote, we know who to vote for. Fuck your bag of rice. Fuck your tomatoes. We are going to deceive us. Don't chop 1 day food finish. You know we chop spaghetti. When I want to wait 4 years, give us 1 day food. When I cut chop 3 years and another 365 days food join now. Say that on our wise. Now get the opportunity, Abi. Now find the freedom, Abi. Come here before you go see answer man for Europe. They hard. Before you go see Osama for Europe, it is hard. Because Nigeria na their own. Now they get Nigeria, be. God create Nigeria because of them. If there's so many of us back come up for the country live there now, they will not get food. People wey get son, get everything. They rule us. Aboki for suya. Aboki is meant to cook suya. They are meant to escort mala. They are meant to lead mala, not human being. They are meant to lead cow. They are not meant to lead human being. They are created to lead cow. To lead cow, not human being. Bastard people. We are not cow. We are not animal. We are nothing. We are human being. We have blood. A cow escorter cannot lead us. Babylonian. Bastard people. Blame una. We dey come. Watch out. We dey come. When I try to what I do. We dey come. We dey come. Now yeah. Then they talk of Benin people they shoot gun. Benin people they kill themselves. The gun when you dey Benin today, if you are a Benin man, if you dey Benin 99, when the Benin they do campaign, the gun never too much. If you dey Benin 2003, when Lucky Benin they do campaign, you know how many gun come out? You know how many gun enter my street when not come again when they bring come? Now they bring all the gun where they just take come. All the gun. All of them, politicians, I bring and come, we not finish again so. When we say the gun call the punk gun, they join us, so now they bring and come in. Before 99, before they start the first Lucky Radio campaign, una the year say that they can't shut up for Benin like that. Una the year? Where the gun dey? When they go start their campaign, 99, they very even bring some more come 2003, now he gone where they those states, where they kill themselves. So now he enter through Lucky, he be now he bring up. He with the men, I know all of them. I go follow them. And they bring the gun. All the gun. The gun where they carry come anti-Maria school for Imagbeni Kao. The gun where they carry come on that day, he passed 700 guns for campaign. I was there. I know them. All them Ima. All them Olagwe. I know them. I know now. One of them they won't follow them. One not correct them. When they come, we'll catch them one. All of you now, when they won't follow them. If I'm not correct them, make them do well. We'll catch them one. I know now. I walk. When I hear, election not be overthrown. Election not be by force. I did for Ugbo 2003. People they land and they queue for Adola Secondary School Road. Adola Secondary School now they tell us so for Ugbo for Adola Secondary School. People they queue. It was that time APC and PDP now they rain. Come now remember come. What old woman? If they shout, they tell the children, "Why you boy your car? Oh, why you boy your car?" Now if PDP member here, he can't confess the woman. He tell the woman, he tell the children, hey, that the woman look back. Oh, you know, they can't know. They don't know so they put the gun for the woman. Now by force they take the vote. Now by force. Vote now wetin come from your mind. Person wey wan lead you, not the person wey go force you. Person wey wan lead you, not the person wey go give you money. They go say they wan lead us. But God spend their money, abi. 2019, we are not allowed there. Oh, our Nigerian youth. Una brother wey they send money come for una from Europe. Then they die for Europe. All those una brothers and sisters. Oh, if go fuck their destiny come up on their body before they go give them €100. Eh? And they they happy. And they see them. They call the first swag for picture. Call the first swag. All those cars, no level. They don't they die and not be they get them. All those swag na empty swag. Empty swag. Ni yo mo eviewu. Anawa egbomo. If no egbomo wa that gbona ke every day, my brother. You understand? If you mo eviewu. Anawa egbomo. Now yeah. Nigeria government, we dey wait for una. Now yeah. Mona come again. Our mumu don't end. Africa China say, how long we go to realize? Africa China, we don't realize for this their tenure. We don't realize our mumu don't wide. We don't wake up for night. We don't wake up. Now yeah, we don't wake up. That boy naked cost una that day. The cause go follow una. The whole world see the boy nakedness. He go follow una. What did the boy they see? What we they see for Europe is too much these days, bro. The intimidation is too much. Don't blame una. They pay me. They say, oh, get cap. Go talk to no get cloth, take go palace. People will get clothes, they go there, go they talk lie. Yeah? With the cover now. Mona not change. Mona not change with the cover now. Me don't talk am. If not because of una, me I go waste my blood 219. I go waste time to make sure say una not come back again. Una hear? Edoche Pikin is coming out for governor for their state, Edoche Pikin. Let other vibrant youth from entertainment come out. Those are giving people joy. You guys are giving people joy. The Nollywood in Nigeria, you are giving dead people joy. You guys fight for your country, man. You carry it, man. See Edoche Pikin. I was very happy for that guy to come out to say, yes, I want to give my people good life. Where are you? People from Yoruba City, from entertainment. Anywhere you are, come out as a youth. Fight for your people, bro. Fight for your people. Because the one in Europe, they are not living good. Those that are sending money, we are not living good, bro. I tell you guys. Now, yeah? Mona not change. Mona dey there. Now don't use a whole country seat. A whole country seat turn to una seat. Aso Rock, don't be una hotel room. Aso Rock. Come on, cancel go enter. You don't go see him again. Now escort go dey waka follow am. Cancel law. Money we cancel law suppose they receive. Me suppose they get her in 1 week for this Europe. No president. A whole common cancel law. They go they give an escort. Common cancel law. 2 days in office in cancel law. He build us. And they talk. We they talk. But other people want they want come out. They want come out. They have one come out. They have one come out. My guy, if you dey inside river soap enter your eye, you are a bastard. If you dey inside river soap enter your eye, you are a bastard. Let me tell you guys. If they want to go, give them a chance to go. If not to spend the country like 20 times, make peace for rain. Make everybody carry you. Man will live outside for outside. Waiting. Children they suffer. Not suffer when they suffer when they go school. I was opportunity to tell my guys, may they go videos of primary school give me. The primary school where me go, he tell when me go to primary school, it be like abroad. Now go check school where they go. No seat, nothing. At the governor, at the president, now picking out the Nigeria. May they tell them, may they bring all their family come home. May they bring all, and even though they bring her come home, they don't set America for Nigeria for themselves. That's the problem. Even though they are picking come home now, their family call them home now. They don't use our money set America for themselves. They don't use our money build their life. I beg, Mona leave us, old men. Mona leave children alone. Mona leave children when they say Mona guide. Now na God they do sacrifice. Children when they say Mona the guide, where God give you an opportunity to say, look over these children. They are your sheep. Guide them to success. Now na God they do sacrifice. And pursue all of the entire road. No food, the entire road. Every day people they condemn for sea. Before you want television for Europe now, before you want television, if you not here, make I tell you. As you hear they want their television, the next way go to hear that immigrante from Nigeria, immigrante from Ghana, immigrante. We don't talk to, in fact, we don't give these people problem, people say, because they don't need us. Now we come to their house now. God give them problem for their house. Well, I pray these days, when I hear this talk, if you get this video, share them. Make sure you touch your ear. Make sure you touch your ear. Make them know. Tell them I comment and even talk out because definitely I know say I'll come that time. They go no. When I know, no level for them. Our youth. For they fear. They say if you talk, you go die. If you not talk, you go die. Only when you for not they talk for this life. It to say I don't see any death and done when it last 300 years. I for not they talk. After that death and done they die. I go die. I mean, we don't die now. We never die for this condition all we did. We never die. Person wake up 5 o'clock in the morning, go enter house again the next day 5 o'clock, work for 24 hours to make 40 euros. We never die. It's not we die, but they fear to talk. Fear to talk now. We they wait to now. They say that they give Ghana light. I say for Duruku is a Niger. If you don't know Duruku, let me explain Duruku for you. Duruku is a Niger. It's a village inside Niger. Village. The last border town between Niger and Libya. The last border town between Niger and Libya. That is Duruku. I stayed there for 3 months. 3 months when I stayed that village, they don't take like 1 day. 1 day. I stayed that village for 3 months. Duruku is just a little village. Like say, I want to describe it. Like say about 60 houses. About, not be houses, so not be even blockers, so. Don't be blockers, so now mothers. Mothers, now they the village. Mothers. I stayed there for 3 months. I just like sleep all the 3 months. Even I know even say they take light. If you say na lie, tell me for here if you observe Duruku. If you pass through Duruku, you say you sleep for darkness. Tell me for here. Nigeria, I be that one. Not be Agadez, so not be the capital city. Duruku, their village, the last village. Na desert. Na people you go use their hand. They build sand as put. Now they no blockers for the village. 3 months now I sleep am. They not take light 1 day. Mali is the 4th poorest country in the world. Mali is the 4th poorest country in the world. I was in Mali for years. I never sleep that night for once. Go to Burkina Faso. Burkina Faso, those people, they eat fly. They don't have food to eat. They eat fly. They fry fly. Fly away with the pursue. They go fry and then they eat. I stayed there for more than fucking 1 year. They don't take light 1 day. 1 day, they don't take light. They don't take light 1 day. I don't see darkness 1 day. People when they fly, they shop. Fly. When they fry and they shop. Later we go say, we go better, no date, no time. According to a Capella. Capella say, go better. They don't give us date. So we know they wait again. Violence, take it by force, bro. Let's go and take it. See the last day. See one day like that. 1 day, I dey watch video. See the way Oyibo carry our girl. If they pay her, they carry her for road. They carry her go one house. See the way they fuck that girl life. See the way that you prick fuck that girl life. The girl cry, papa cry, mama. He cry, papa. When they not fuck for this body, if you get that video dey Facebook, it dey everywhere. When they don't fuck for this boy body, he lap, he yell, he tongue, he nose, he mato, they fuck his hair. Everywhere boy body, armpit, he belly, everywhere, like they blood boy for our body. That one a Peking. If that Peking they receive come up 5,000 naira a month, he not go think of enter Europe. Because Peking where they born for this Europe country, before he reach 18 years, he don't go back car. He don't go buy house. Yes. Children they happy. They celebrate 18 years birthday for a year. Like say na one world birthday because they want buy car, they want buy house. Our own for where no level. Dirty korofo, no level. Una pack am for una children. Una children go dey finish secondary school. Una give am limousine. People dey jam. The guy wey me and the day so. You know how many times he write jam when he pass? He write jam. The boy write jam. He write jam. He pass all the jam. He don't know people. He don't fit go school. Now the boy take enter road. That guy person come die for here now. Saying that the blood not down hand. He don't know people. People where he don't know. He don't know people. He don't fit go school. You know how many jam? Show me the jam results. All of them are above 200. They say if you get 200 for jam, you go enter school. Now they call change jam. They say if you get the 200, you still get pre-jam. Who shall be pre-jam? Just to put their people where don't know anything for there. Yes, the guy who that they are so I know I see the jam result. Person when he picks over 250 supposed to be investing, not in root. Supposed to be reading a course of his choice. But you see a washing plate for people. Pastor, I know a graduate of a Mercy is washing plate here in Matter. Graduate from Mercy graduate. Family night to make money, take carry the boy enter school. The boy manage, finish school. He buy work, he not see, he enter road. You know how many of them don't die like that? He dey wash common place for years for Motor Island. Or go kill now. Go learn work. Go learn work. Go learn work. If you learn the work, which person want? If you open the shop, when people will never shop, now one can say they want to buy something for your shop. I'm a donor. Don't blame you now. Mona wait for us 219. Me, 80 wise, I'm going to spray our blood for now, for the Nigerian people, because I love my people. I love my Nigeria country. I love my people too much. But the government, you want to take away their joy. And the joy, you cannot take it off from them, man. I'm telling you, God have arisen in our case. God has answered our prayer. God has bring the hero to that country. God has bring the voice of the voiceless to that country. And we must take it. We must talk. If you get the opportunity, then they talk against Nigeria. Don't talk it in your interest. Don't say it with your pocket. Well, I leave you guys like this. I leave you guys like this, man. I tell you now. That before I go, I go use egg to swear for them, for our present. As the egg they burst, if they don't want to leave our career alone, and so their life will burst, and so their generation life will burst. Now, yeah, because these people, is saying we try to fight them with everything we have. They don't give us strength. We don't have any strength. They only give us strength. They don't give us anything. They use hungry beat us when we're hungry. Because they know so they're hungry, he not go fit talk. Oh, they're hungry, he not go fit fight. That's the first season. Then they know say if we go school, our life go better, and they seize the education again from us. Now no worry. Now time to reach. If I leave you now, we'll bust one head for our head. And I'll go bust that head for Johnson. Now, Nigeria government. If I not take care. If I not take care. If I not take care. One day, I wait to happen to all those people for Ghana, and I go happen to now. May I tell you? Yeah? There was a time where we say Ghana, before tourists come Ghana, before that terrorist of that guy tourist, I don't know his name. Before he go Ghana, Ghana don't fetch up leave. Ghana where they enjoy so, where they sleep with light so, they don't fetch up leave. My sister stay there. All those flowers where they cook now in the shop, they don't get food. That kind of thing I go happen to now, yeah? Our Nigeria, God bless them, God create them where? God not create Nigeria by mistake. Now, yeah? I know say not be God get on our hearts. On our hearts not there for God. Not be, God don't even create that kind of hearts when it's strong like on our own now. People, that's the way if you look to 180 billion people they cry. You know my now. It's travel go abroad. You say now God create that heart for them. Who tell you? You they crazy. Who shall God create? God not create Buhari heart. All those our government, not be God create them at all. All those guys sold their soul to devil. They sold their soul to devil. They sold their soul to devil. They sold their soul to devil. So we shall go back and fight them by anyhow. If they want us to restore ourselves to devil again, we will sow it to devil to fight them, to conquer, to have a victory, to put smile for my people's mouth. I can die for that, man. Let my people be happy. Let my people have joy. Let my people stop dying on the desert and the road. Amen. Mona check on herself. Mona check on herself. Mona check on herself. Now, yeah. I bet my people, if they watch me, I bet try to share this video well. I bet try to share this video well. I bet try to make this video reach your hand. So that maybe they will find me if you say, I beg. Man, I try, not because of the name. Not even know they read the comment, not because of the name. I had to talk of the name, I had to talk of anything. No, no. I beg. When I share this video well, I beg, bro. I beg. I beg now. I beg. When I watch me and my fans and my people, when I be, my people, those who want me Nigeria better, when I share this video, I dey break. When I only pray for the country na blessed country. I beg when I dey pray, may God wipe all those, may not even touch your heart. May God open grave one day, put all of them. Before they say, I will pray for my enemy to live long, so that I will look, so that they will see what I will be in future. Oh boy, that one I before. Nowadays, pastor say, our enemy must die. Because if you not die, they don't go close their eye. They go die. They go die. They go die. For boss, see, I get injury. I want that boss. I pull leg for the boss, and so the man waka come on. Now my phone take follow him. I go station now, I go report, they say me I go back to my country. My people, when I tell them, say we don't tire, our mumu don't wide. They don't know, they're supposed to even know. They're supposed to even know, say their time don't finish. So, Abeg, anything wey they do now, make we just do like this, they look them, because we know say e go pay them. Tenant wey no dey pay house rent, if oga tell am make e pack comot, if the owner of the house tell am make e pack comot, e go wan dey find wetin e wan spoil for the house before e comot. Na be their house o. Na yeah? If una like, una sell everything for the country, give people before una comot. If we come back, and those wey dey buy government property, we are coming back to collect all our property they sell for you. If you buy government property, any property we know it for government, we are coming back to collect them from you. Then you guys must return our property. How can you go and buy a government property, a country property you will buy, if you are not a debt thief? They never even sell am. I dey shout. They never even sell am. They change the name. They change the name. Just the name, now they change. Thank God, na name, now they change. The name, if we come power, they go change am back again. Now yeah? They go change and come back again. The name, all those names wey they change for our property. Carry out a farm, carry this one filling station, this one, 1,004 flat, 1,004 flat for some fee. For some fee, they sell am. But that's, listen, Europe here, that like 1,004 flats for there, for that, for some fee, for near mobile total place, this thing for some fee for VI. That kind of house, if they get that for Europe there, now they sell one flat. They go to pay us small. That kind of 1,004 flats. Now Oibo, month a year. When I come to this country 2011, this country be like village. Be like village. Even when I go to the capital city, I don't believe in Europe now enter. They got change government. 2010, I don't know. They got change government. Now guy, call look this country. Now cause he has government, they build country. Cause he has government, they shine country. Cause he job opportunity everywhere. Cause that time before you go find one job and they take you years, but this time I can change job today. Even when they talk so, I don't go change job now. I'll go change job. Cause he has country, cause he has young man they build this country. If old man they rule your country, now so your country go they grow old. If young man they rule, like go they grow young, because he get young brain. If they see things, he get fancy, he get fashion. He's fashion designers. He go design the country, design the heart of the people. You know how many land they are part of for this country, for this mountain island, where they not touch during their former old man regime. They not touch them. But this time, no free land. That guy built an apartment full everywhere for everybody. He don't reach 18 years. Go carry money, buy apartment. You know they pay house rent. Now your house. But for Nigeria, na lie. Na lie. Now once the government will get to now, change the name. Not be even say they change the name. Change common name. Go say you don't sell am. Nobody go ask am what you use the money do. Sell am finish. You go borrow. Now so they carry this one with trillion. The money no they come. See, we see they borrow. We are not worry. We are not worry. I don't say this time. Our youth, we are not steal for bicycle again. Our brother, take the step of that guy, Doche son. Take his step. Take his step. Don't leave people. Wanna fight for us. Because now be celebrating. If people not they happy, they not go feel laugh for una comedy. If people not they happy, nobody go feel dance for una music. If people not they happy, nobody go feel watch una video. It's our right with the artists. It's our right to fight for happiness of our people. That's why we say we are entertainer. That's why we entertain. We cannot entertain somebody from the grave. We cannot entertain somebody from hospital. We cannot entertain a hungry people. Okay? Let's see the facts. We cannot entertain a hungry people, man. I tell you guys, man. Let me leave you guys, man. Because Nigeria matter, understand? Nigeria matter be. Understand? But more are not worried. And step by step, when they come up and go fold up, not understand. Our youth, more are not sleep. Any IP, anybody can become a president. You understand? Anybody can become a president. Anybody wey know say go open the office for us to dey throw in an art, now go be our president. Come on, councillor. I remember that time, one councillor of Ward 10, he got local government. Now we do campaign for them. And my shoulder here now I put her like this. Tell the campaign. Vote for them, vote for them, put her for shoulder. And they use her campaign. After election, we don't even know where he has go there again. He will pack come on for local for Ward 10. And they promise everybody job. Understand? He promised everybody job. He promised everybody job. After the election, we not see him again. Baga, War 10, 2003, now they tell you so. I don't forget that name. What be that name people said? What is they call that name? And he was a guy man in the street too. He was a guy man. I make us say me rule us as War 10. I don't forget that name people said. Jagbon Jabi, I don't know that fucking name that year. Even my old brother Samuel Yamu, he was a councillor. Samuel Yamu, he was a councillor in my local government. He was a councillor. Now then my late brother Festus, then my daddy, then my auntie, I go do that vote. All of us go our village, go do that vote. That vote, he not get person way in favor of our house as a councillor, he said. Me, I even talk of far people. Even my old brother Samuel Yamu, he was a councillor. If you want to know me from there, trace me. You understand? Bastard people, I'm a donor. No blame you now. Ella will kill now. I go with this, so we don't wait. We don't ready for now. Now, yeah, I don't change. Idiot people.
Welcome to Forestville Luxury Hotel. At Forestville Luxury Hotel, we offer excellent service. Our rooms have all the necessary facilities to make your stay comfortable and memorable. You will also have access to internet service, breakfast, 24-hour power supply, full air condition, free international calls, free tire pumping service, and free car battery charge. So what are you waiting for? Quickly visit Forestville Luxury Hotel. We are located at #1 Adeline Bamishile off Raji Rasaki Road, First Estate, Amuwo, Odofin Festac, Lagos. For more information or reservation, please call us on 08075787135 or 08099900601. You can also take advantage of our online ongoing promo at www.forestvillehotel.com to make your reservation and payment for your favorite room, which attracts a discount rate. Please note, rooms are reserved based on first come, first serve. Forestville Luxury Hotel. Experience the home of comfort. They come.